Hi, this is the RYOBI ONE Plus. This is the high performance and it's the reciprocating saw. It does take the original RYOBI batteries, but it also takes the high performance one. Since we already had these other batteries, this is what we used. We ended up getting blades for both metal and for wood to put in there. And all you have to do is use this little badge right there, and it opens up right there to add in your blades. But this thing is a high powered tool for demolition work, and I'm going to show you how we used it.